Good morning. A warm welcome to everyone. It is a great honor and privilege to be your host today as we gather to celebrate a remarkable milestone, the silver jubilee of two of our most admired, dedicated and inspirational teachers, Mrs. Aparna Jaiswal and Mrs. Shiny Joseph. For the past 25 years, these two educators have not only imparted knowledge, but have also shaped countless young minds, igniting curiosity, fostering growth, and nurturing dreams. Their unwavering commitment to education and their profound impact on our community is truly commendable.
Today, we come together to recognize and honor their extraordinary contributions, their passion for teaching, and tireless efforts to make a difference in the lives of the students. It is a day to reflect on their journey, to celebrate their achievements, and to express our heartfelt gratitude for their unfaltering dedication. Plants are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul. With immense gratitude and admiration, we present a sapling each to you, dear teachers.
We are honored to present a special rare dance, a performance that embodies our collective hopes, faith, and thanksgiving. This dance is more than just a display of grace and movement. It is a heartfelt offering, a prayer in motion, symbolizing our connection to the divine and our gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon us. Here are the students of high school with their soulful rare dance.
तू ही है मेरा आधार। enthusiasm and spirit of our talented dancers to express their gratitude and love for you, dear jubilarians. Let's welcome the little ones with a big round of applause.
But in a million truly unique individuals, we draw our values of life from your teachings. As we continue our celebrations for this momentous Silver Jubilee, it is now time for one of the most heartfelt moments of the day, the presentation of words of gratitude and appreciation for our loving teachers by Akshita Sagar of Class 5C.
Can you hear the tintinnabulation of the silver bells? What a world of merriment their melody foretells! How they tinkle, tinkle with great delight. Before witnessing the dazzling dawn, they must have surely been through the grueling night. Good morning, respected principal, headmistress, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we assemble here to celebrate and appreciate the commitment, perseverance, resilience, and success of our two great mentors, Mrs. Aparna Jaiswal and Mrs. Shiny Joseph, on the momentous occasion of their Silver Jubilee celebration, our hearts are humming the melody of gaiety and gratitude. Their unwavering commitment, passion for teaching, creativity, resourcefulness, and multitasking abilities have played a pivotal role in shaping countless lives for the past 25 years. Sometimes a teacher can touch our lives with her magical, mystical glow, investing her heart in the work that she does, helping us to learn and grow. With wisdom, she patiently guides us along towards becoming the best we can be. And when we consider just how far we've come, the teacher we loved was the key. Dear mentors, your classrooms have been not just places of learning, but havens of encouragement and support, where students have bloomed euphorically under your guidance. You have been a source of inspiration for generations galore. You have gladly cleared our doubts whenever we have been unsure. You have not only instilled in us a love for knowledge and a passion for excellence, but also strengthened our conviction in our own abilities. Your impact is eternal and infinite. It has inspired the darkness to transform into light. Dear educators, your 25 years of service are a testament to your unwavering commitment to education and to the well-being of every student who has had the privilege to learn from you. The countless hours you have spent preparing the lessons, the extra time you have given to the students in need, and the kindness you have shown towards your acts and smile have inspired us always to tread an extra mile. Together, we have created indelible memories which can be definitely woven into a tapestry of blissful stories. Today, as we reflect upon your remarkable journey of 25 years and your profound influence on our lives, we thank the Almighty for creating you and utilizing your skills for the transformation of the society. We pray to the good God to guide you and bless you with good health, happiness, abundance, peace, and patience, so that you may continue to enrich our lives with your treasure of knowledge and wisdom. Heartiest congratulations, dear Jubilarians.
From the blackboard's chalky embrace to the hearts of students, a winding pace. From the classroom's walls to the hearts of gold, your impact, a story to be told. A journey of growth, of laughter and of tears. From the blackboard's dust to the hearts that clear. Dear Aparna Miss, your journey in the tapestry of education is of a storyteller weaving threads of inspiration. Here are the students of Standard 5 thanking you for infusing their learning with the magic of your creative spirit. From the blackboard to the heartboard.
Today's brain activity is called tomato salad. That sounds interesting. How does the game go, miss? Tomato salad is played like this. Listen carefully. While reading a text, when you come across a word starting with the letter S, say salad. When reading a word starting with the letter T, say tomato. Okay, Shanda, start reading. Salad tomato cut can be deep and bleeds more. In such a salad, you must tomato, stop tomato. Salad. Tomato bleeding by using a tourniquet. Okay, well done, Shanza. You may sit. Okay, Adya, you may start reading.
Salads can be very painful. Tomato injured part swells up. And tomato salad of tomato area turns blue.
Okay, well done, Adya. You may sit.
Miss, one more activity. This time on songs.
Yay! Okay, that's a great idea. Let's have some fun under the sun. Sing a song having the word sun. Suraj.
Oh, I got an idea.
Sit and eat. You will feel better.
Thank you so much, Miss. Miss, my necklace is broken. My mother bought it specially for my birthday.
Okay, let me see. Here you are. Now your necklace has a pendant too.
Thank you very much, Miss.
Wow! Lo and behold, it looks more beautiful now.
Miss, you are so creative and innovative.
My dear children, we all are gifted with wings of imagination.
मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। अगर मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाओ ये पलके बिछाओ कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो ज़मीन को आसमां बनाओ सितारों से सजाओ। अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। अगर मैं तितलियों के पीछे भागूं, मैं जुगनुओं के पीछे जाऊं। ये रंग है वो रोशनी है तुम्हारे पास दोनों लाऊं। जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले मैं लाऊं वहाँ पे कि तुम हो जहाँ जहाँ पे बंद है मैं तुमसे ना बनाऊं। अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा भी देखा कि आरज़ू जगाऊं। अगर तुम कहो
Good morning.
कान में लगती है ना ये आवाज। पता है कमाल की बात क्या है? ये चौक को ऊपर से हल्का सा तोड़ दो तो ये चू चू नहीं करती। एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, एक छोटा सा चेंज, यही फर्क होता है क्यों में और क्यों नहीं।
लाट सांदर अपना पर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल
या ऑमलेट बनाने की।
स्कूल के बाहर जब जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेती है तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज नहीं लेती।
तूफानों को चीर कर मंजिल पाने का अरमान है। नॉत्र डेम में खूबसूरत आपकी पहचान है। विद्वानों के घराने से विरासत में जो आपसे है मिला, आए हैं हम बताने आपकी सेवा को समर्पित हमारे दिल के ये तराने। सेवा, समर्पण, शिक्षा की परिभाषा हैं आप, ज्ञान पथ की मार्गदर्शिका हमारी अटूट आशा हैं आप।
To share her journey of the last 25 years in this school.
don't know where to begin. I have no words. If only words could say what heart wants to convey, it would take more than a day to speak those words right away. A very good morning, respected Sister Mary Neha, Sister Hema, Sister Tessie, Sister Soumya, Sister Rupa, Sister Suma, Sister Namrata, and all the other sisters present here, my dear friends, teachers, members of our families, and my loving bundles of joys, my students. Overwhelmed, heartful, and glowing with gratitude is what I feel standing here right now. That was indeed a dazzling display of love, respect, talent, and skills, and it has completely left both of us mesmerized. It was sensational, dear students, dear teachers, and you have really made it unforgettable for us. I know there's still more to come. First of all, standing here, I would like to congratulate my dear fellow jubilarian, Miss Shiny, as we share this joy together. Miss Shiny, you have been one of the reasons for my joy-filled stay and comfortable stay here at NDA Patna. You are one of the best things that happened to me during my teaching career of 2.5 decades. On behalf of Miss Shiny and my own behalf, I thank each one of you, my dear sisters, my dear friends, my loving students, the technical staff, and all the heroes backstage for presenting such a meaningful and touching show in our honor. Right from the morning welcome to this stage show, the saplings, cards, performances, speeches, songs, and the tribute right now that I saw, all these have touched our hearts in ways beyond imagination. 2.5 decades of a glorious journey here at NDA Patna. I thank the Almighty for making it happen, for making it possible. I would like to thank all my principals and headmistresses, past and present. Right from Sister Mary Veena, late Sister Jayashri, Sister Tessie, Sister Jessie, Sister Neha, double innings of Sister Neha, Sister Shubha, Sister Ramsey, Sister Sonia, Sister Karuna, Sister Lata, Sister Rosemary, and Sister Hema. Thank you, sisters, for being that glue, for holding us together under your caring guidance. To all my teaching and non-teaching friends from the Montessori, primary, high school, Julie School, I thank you for being such a supportive team and making this school a vibrant and nurturing community, and I feel blessed to be a part of it. मैं इस स्कूल की हर एक दीदी और हमारे सारे सहायकों को दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमारी हर सुबह को सुंदर बनाया है और हमारी बेटियों की एक माँ की तरह देखभाल किया है। ये लोग हमारे सर्विस सुपर हीरोज हैं, ये हमारे केयर चैंपियंस हैं। A big round of applause for each of these members, dear students, from teachers, sisters, and everyone, and my dear students. Our teaching career wouldn't have been possible without the incessant support of the members of our family. My thanks are extended to my beloved husband, who is not here due to certain reason today, and both my daughters, Vidushi and Teshri, for their contributions and cooperation. A teacher wouldn't ever exist if there weren't any students. Yes, there's a special relationship between teachers and students, and I call that QU relationship. If you think of a word with Q, you will never find U leaving Q. So my dear students, my lifelines, my bundles of joy, my creative thinkers, thank you. Thank you for making my day beautiful for us. by your radiant smiles, cheerful wishes, and heartwarming compliments. Every passing year has ennobled me with the immense love and admiration I have received from my students across the globe. There are different ways they have surprised me, and it is really very touching. The success stories of our students make us feel rewarded. For those who do not know this, my association with Notre Dame has been of 37 long years, not just 25. It is 25 years of teaching here. I studied in Jamalpur and Mungay Notre Dame for 10 years. Almost 2 years I taught in Mungay Notre Dame, and then 25 years now. I would like to summarize these 37 years with my following lines, which I tried to pen down myself, tried by creative handwriting. From myself wearing red skirt and white shirt, to teaching my little bundles of joy in red skirts and white shirt, somewhere I grew up. From waiting in line to receive my report cards, to delivering report cards to my kids, somewhere I grew up. From talking and disturbing and studying in my own classrooms, to enjoying confidently in my staff room, I grew up. And from speaking in my own morning assemblies to delivering my jubilee speech from this podium, I finally grew up. With deepest gratitude and appreciation, thank you one and all.
You are our board marks. Many of us will agree that maths gives us the shivers and the jitters. It can be our demon at times. The only respite being that it gives us less tension when we know our guardian angel, Shiny Miss, is right behind us, guiding us patiently, step by step. We owe this to you, dear Shiny Miss, for helping us gain confidence in the subject which scares us. Thank you for being our board master.
पॉडमास पॉडमास क्या है ये पॉडमास पॉडमास? अरे पॉडमास का मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आ रहा, अब क्या होगा? अरे शाइनी मिस, अब कोई डर नहीं। शाइनी मिस हमारी सारी कंफ्यूजन दूर कर देंगी।
Podmas. It may have a different meaning in mathematics, but for us, Podmas has a different meaning. For us, you are our Podmas, dear Shiny Miss.
B O D
बावरे कुछ ख्यालों में, बचकाने से सवालों में, संग रही हो, संग रही हो। समझे ना दुनिया, तू तो मुझको समझियो। दिल ना समझ है, दिल को कुछ भी न कहियो। नैनों में पैगाम जिस तरह मस्जिद में आज़ान जिस तरह। नैनों में पैगाम जिस तरह मस्जिद में आज़ान जिस तरह। सुबह होने तक जल रहे, पलकों में अरमान जिस तरह। संग रही हो, संग रही हो। समझे ना दुनिया, तू तो मुझको समझियो। दिल ना समझ है, दिल को कुछ भी न
Shiny Miss, that silver thread of wisdom that wove into our hearts, the love for mathematics. We are ever so grateful to you, dear Miss. We thank God for the precious gift of you.
Every time I'm feeling down, you make me up, sing.
Now, please join us in welcoming Shiny Miss to the stage to share few words with us.
Good morning, Sister Neha, Sister Hema, Sister Namrata, Sister Soumya, Sister Tessie, all the sisters, lovely colleagues, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to thank my dear students for this mesmerizing program. Thank you all the teachers who have taken effort to guide these little hearts. Today marks a remarkable milestone in my life's journey, my jubilee as an educator. As I stand before you, I am filled with a profound sense of gratitude and nostalgia. Congratulations, dear Miss Sabarna, on your jubilee too. Thank you for always being beside me for these 25 years. As Miss Sabarna has already spoken on our behalf, I would not make it long. Today, as I celebrate this jubilee, I express my deepest gratitude to all my past and present principals, headmistresses for entrusting and supporting me for the past 25 years. To my amazing colleagues, I thank you for being my pillars of strength, my source of inspiration, my partners in this incredible journey. Your friendship, guidance and encouragement have meant the world to me. To my students, past and present, thank you for your trust, your enthusiasm and your willingness to learn. Thanks are due to my beloved husband and children who have stood by me with unwavering love and support. Above all, I would like to thank the Almighty for blessing me to be a part of this prestigious institution. Thank you once again.
the incredible journey and contributions, we would now like to invite our respected headmistress, Sister Mary Hema, to share her thoughts and reflections on this special occasion.
A joyful good morning to Sister Neha, Namita, Namrata, sisters, guests of honor today, teachers and students. Good morning. Children, good morning. Okay. Dear Miss Aparna, congratulations and joyous greetings on your silver jubilee. Celebrating you, your 25 productive and fruitful years as an educator is the reason for this wonderful gathering this morning. We acknowledge and affirm your creative passion for teaching that shaped the lives of many students as you nurtured them to be true human beings, bold and brave citizens of our nation. 25 years and still growing strong and creative. We thank God for you. An amazing teacher, impregnated with ideas for all seasons and situations. Vibrant and energetic woman who finds solution to problems. Be it be a little child crying or a girl struggling to complete her classwork, a student who needs constant reminder to be responsible. Mrs. Aparna will find a way to handle them with love and tenderness. Your creativity found no boundaries. It is simple things that you do to make learning easier and the class interesting that made a big difference. Dear friends and students, if you run short of ideas, you can be sure to reach out to Miss Aparna. She will deliver ideas in no time. And always you will hear her say, "Do not worry, sister. Do not worry, miss. We will do it." Yes, your journey from the blackboard to the heart board is really appreciated by your students and all of us. 25 years of work, 25 years of nurturing with affection, 25 years of committed service. We are grateful, we rejoice, we admire your tireless efforts and enthusiastic nature, dear Miss Aparna. Thank you, dear Miss Aparna, for being a wonderful and unique you. May God reward you and keep you in His love. Dear Miss Shiny, as silver bell ring for you, we celebrate your success stories. Celebrate you as a person, a gift given by God. You have been a beacon of honesty, simplicity, and genuine cheerfulness, dear Miss Shiny. Yes, you shine out as an amazing and patient and understanding teacher of mathematics. Your ability to make complex concepts simple and clear create an atmosphere of confidence and clarity in the minds of the students is admirable. You generated answers from the weak students with your immense patience and encouragement. Teaching mathematics step by step created confidence in the students. Your motherly approach, genuine smile, removed fear of mathematics from most of the students. You gel so well with a team of teachers, reaching out to anyone in need. You have been a Bodmas in the maths class. But I would like to give another explanation to the Bodmas of Miss Shiny. Miss Shiny, your brackets of love, honesty and gentleness You put your students in brackets, put them together with your simple, large heart, embraces every staff member. Your brackets keep stretching to accommodate the weak ones. Everyone finds a place in the bracket of your life. You divided your talents with the staff, ever willing to help, taught students to divide life's difficulties and sorrows, and made it easier to bear and accept. You multiplied joys in the classroom and in the school with your cheerfulness and generosity. You multiplied students' confidence in solving problems. Yes, Miss Shiny, you added true values, compassion and love in all that you did as a teacher and as a member of our faculty. Your rules of subtraction were: subtract all that is evil or unhealthy or negative in our conversation, in our dealings, in the classroom or at home. You subtracted fear or confusion from the students with ease. You are our shining godmas. Yes, dear Miss Shiny, we thank the good God for you as you count your many blessings of 25 years as a teacher. We admire your immense patience, simple ways, positive attitude, caring love, and large-hearted nature. May you be blessed with good health, happiness, and lasting joy. I would like to offer this prayer or wish from the Bible for both of you. Psalm 1. Blessed is the one who delights in the law of the Lord and who meditates the law daily. That person is like a tree planted by the streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, whose leaf does not wither or fade. And all that she does shall prosper. They grow strong and healthy. And the Lord watches over the way of the righteous and protects them from evil. Dear teachers, may your lives be like that tree planted near the flowing waters, remaining evergreen and energetic. Your leaves evergreen, bearing good fruits through all seasons. May your roots grow deeper in the knowledge of the divine as you move into the golden. May you become wisdom figures, inspiring, guiding, and nurturing those in your care. Happy congratulations once again, joyful wishes, and showers of blessings from the master teacher be yours today and always. I also would like to take a moment to appreciate the good God, thank the good God for the pleasant weather and for watching over us. Many thanks to the family members, Mr. Jose, better half of Miss Shiny, and Tejasri, lucky and privileged daughter of Miss Aparna, for sharing our joy and for being with us. I am grateful to Sisters Namita, Neha, Namrata, and all the sisters for your valuable presence and support to make this day memorable and inspiring. Hats off to the wonderful team of teachers who tirelessly worked, planned everything meticulously, shared responsibilities joyfully and willingly. I am very proud of you. SDF students, your mind-blowing performance really touched our hearts. I am sure we have memories to cherish. Thank you for doing your very best. Well done, dear children. Thanks to the student council, maintenance staff, and all the others who worked behind the curtain to make this day move smoothly. May God reward your efforts. Let us give one another a big round of applause for your efforts. Once again, thank you to one and all.
And Miss Aparna as a parent.
we thank you for Miss Shiny and Miss Aparna as a beautiful gift in our life. God of love and mercy, humbly we come and place before you our teachers, Miss Shiny and Miss Aparna. We ask you to shower your special blessings upon them as we celebrate the silver jubilee of our teachers today. We ask you for the gift of good counsel, wisdom, and grace upon our loving teachers as they prepare to lead their students each day. Lord, we humbly approach you for your enduring grace on their families and dear ones. Let good health, happiness, and your blessings be upon them. Lord, please grant them all the choicest blessings that they are in need of. Amen. Every achiever starts somewhere. Miss Shiny and Miss Aparna boarded our ship and sailed with us to achieve goals together. In halls of wisdom, light shines bright. Your guidance glows both day and night. Through every lesson, love and care, your legacy is everywhere. We celebrate with thanks so true the timeless gift we owe to you. There is no better day than today to say how much you both mean to us, dear Shininess and Aparna. You both have always inspired us in every possible way. Thank you for being by your side for all these years. Often we rush through the ropes of life, oblivious to the importance of taking the time to express our gratitude and appreciation for the support you both have so generously provided for our development. Colleagues like you are special and few. Just want to say a big thank you. Like silver threads, our memories weave together the tapestry of time. May this jubilee be a reflection of the love, dedication, and growth that you both have put in to shape our school over the years. Cheers to your extraordinary 25 years work anniversary. Your journey is a testament to your dedication, resilience, and leadership. Your contributions have been pivotal and your legacy is etched into our story. Your journey is an embodiment of dedication, wisdom, and impact. Your legacy is woven into the fabric of our school. Your professionalism and dedication set a high standard for us all. Dear Aparna and Shininess, each year you both find new ways to surprise us with your drive and focus. Your dedication and relentless pursuit of ambitious goals are evidence of how much you both have earned your success. A motivator, an inspirator, an enthusiast. These three qualities qualities are just a few of the many you show every day with all your students. Thank you for your honesty. Thank you for allowing yourselves to be who you are. May you be an inspiration to others to achieve greatness as you have. Today marks another year of your guidance and wisdom, testament to your unwavering dedication to shaping young minds. Dear Shiny Miss and Aparna Miss, your passion for education has ignited countless flames of inspiration, sending ripples of knowledge through generations. The impact you make reaches far beyond the classroom, forever altering lives and creating a better tomorrow. Happy Silver Jubilee to our remarkable teachers.
अनुपम शिक्षिका शाइनी मिस अपर्णा मिस, ज्ञान ज्योति प्रदाता, अंग्रेजी की उत्कृष्टता, गणित की ज्ञाता, आप दोनों से है सेवा, संकल्प और शिक्षा का उत्कर्ष। खुशियाँ मिले अपरंपार, बधाई हो रजत जयंती वर्ष।
नाम है जुबां पे, आपकी राहों पर चलकर ही नाम किया है। राहें मिली और मंजिल पाई, खोई हुई मुस्कान मिली है हमारे लिए। आप एक वरदान, आपसे ही डोर जीवन की बांध ली है। अब प्रस्तुत है पंचम वर्ग की सुरमई छात्राएं अपने भावपूर्ण गायन के साथ।
of 25 years, and we commemorated it in style. Let's give a final round of applause to our dedicated teachers. Aparna Miss and Shiny Miss, who have shaped minds, touched hearts, and inspired generations. As we conclude the Silver Jubilee celebrations, we honor their tireless efforts, their passion for teaching, and their commitment to excellence. May their legacy continue to inspire and motivate us all. Thank you to everyone who made this event possible, and to our beloved teachers for the past 25 glorious years of molding our future. Here's to many more years of inspiring greatness.
As the program draws to a close, I would like to express my gratitude towards the Almighty God for showering His blessings upon us. Thank you, dear jubilarians, their family members, and all the sisters of Notre Dame Academy for gracing the occasion with their esteemed presence. Special thanks to our principal, Sister Mary Neha, Headmistress, Sister Mary Hema, and all the teachers for their meticulous planning and unwavering support at all times. Our special thanks to the technical staff and support staff for their tireless efforts behind the scenes. Thanks are also due to all the participants who poured their hearts into their performances. Thank you, dear audience, for your cooperation and good discipline. Thank you one and all for making this day a memorable one. Students are requested to remain seated as the guests are escorted back.
Thank you.